Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, today we got a lighting kit from Phastek. It's this one's the ambient lighting kit, and this one is blue. So we'll take it apart and see what all's in here. I hadn't even got to really look at it yet. This is your two strips. We'll get that camera over here closer. Okay, this is from Phastek Performance. They do a lot of good performance parts. Some LED lights I didn't know it was in there. That's for the dome lights. That's cool. That's probably blue also. And then we got the two main strips. Whereas there, and you got your hardware package here. Got a switch. That's one of them 3 connector switches that lights up a little LED when it's on. You got your connector that you find your wire and you pinch into it. And there's your other connectors, got zip ties. Made in China. Been nice if it was made in America. And this is for the 2010 plus Camaros. Okay, we're gonna light one of these up real quick. I've got a power supply right here. Okay, there's that string. That one's blue one. I'll try this other one. There's that one. Turn that power supply off. Okay, now we're going to pull the side panel here off. Okay, get you a trim tool. Go right up here in this corner right here. Okay. This wire right here. Gonna have to cut it open. Okay, now we gotta get a knife like that. A real sharp knife. Be real careful on peeling this back. Okay, we're looking for a gray wire. It's right there on top. Okay, we got a test light here. We got the dome light on. Clip one in on the metal. Okay, we got this connector here. Got it around there. See, we got power here. So now we just got to get it closed. I'll make sure we got power before we get it closed. That thing might be fun to open back up. Okay, we're going to do one more check on it. We're going to wait for the dome light to go out, and then we're going to check it again. Make sure we're on the right wire. Okay, the light just went out. Going to check this again. No power on it. So we're definitely on the right wire now. So now we'll clip that thing shut. Have to get the pliers and get that. Can't get it with my finger. Okay, there it is. I would say that was the hard part. Now we just gotta run our lights, plug them in, and we're good to go. Okay, I got the driver's side in, the LED light. To keep from having to take the center console out, these panels are very tight fitting. I just use the trim tool and kind of open it up a little bit, then bring it across, and then take the trim tool and just poke it in down through there. That'll save you from having to take this center console out. So now we gotta put in the passenger side, and it'll go right under the glove box. Nice flat place right there. Take your alcohol wipe, clean it off good. And you want your wires sticking out towards your where you're going to connect them at. Okay, right here's where I wound up putting it. Here's your gauges up here, your console. I couldn't get to stick up under the glove box, so I just stuck it over here. Ran the wires across. I'll do the other side the same way. I've got it stuck across the middle. I did find a flat piece that did stick to it, but I'm going to go ahead and change it, both of them like that. But anyway, that might look pretty cool. We'll see what it looks like when it gets a little darker. You can barely see some red in there. Run your wires across there. Take your trim tool and open this up. That way you don't have to take all this apart. And then on the center part here, just stick it, shove it down through there. Okay, right here's our connector. Now we got to strip our wires back. So I have to go get I'll cut one of these, cut the longest one off, trim it down a little bit. Take both these wires, take your reds together, take your blacks together, twist them together. On your main connector here, you got a special one that fits right down in there. crimp it good. And make our connection. Take some black tape. Now we gotta get a socket set. We gotta connect it into one of these screws over here. And we'll be done on that. Put the panel back in. Let's take a 7mm and open that up. I don't know if I was snapped or not. There we go. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we'll get the. So now we'll take the side panel. Okay. Looks pretty cool. Okay, now we're back over here on the driver's side. And this in here was bent so badly in the packaging that now it's got a short in it. So that sucks. Yeah, I don't know why they just can't roll them up to a nice little. See how bent that is? But these definitely got a short in it. So I don't know. I'd like to stick them right here. But if they're going to short out, I better stick them back up on here where I had them. I don't know if I can send these back or not. We can jump. Freaking brand new. Got a short in them. I'm not sure. I don't want to buy another one. Well, maybe I might get one good one. I don't know. I'll just stick it back up here where I had it. Just kind of wanting to do both sides that way, but it didn't happen. But if you want to do yours this way, then right here where your cigarette lighter is, just come down from there and just go forward with it. That's the way I did it. And that sticks pretty good on the carpet, and this here helps hold it in a little better. Just put it about halfway under. That's a good way to put them. I want to spend another $30, $35 just to fix the other side. Anyway, another video done. Disappointed on these, but it is what it is. Alright, thanks for watching.